Today unboxing is on Tarmac Works' new release, the RWB 993 Firebird. This is a Singapore Special Edition that is supposed to be launched at the Singapore Diecast Expo that never happened because of the pandemic. Very stunning casting in the presentation case. The overall presentation comes predominantly in red and gold. Very auspicious color. It has the Firebird label in Japanese, standard license info and Tarmac Works social media channel. Every Hobby 64 also comes with a collector card. Very nice number at 0806. It has the label Singapore Special Edition in gold. Very expected casting but it's stunning. Highlight is definitely on the paint job in very nice close to metallic red. Quality is awesome. I have no problem going extreme close up for this casting. In my opinion, it's very close to the quality of 143 scale. Detailed interior with the roll cage in red, RWB label on the rear, plastic insert rear lights, realistic exhaust and the grille. The headlights are always the focus for the RWB and Tarmac Works did a fantastic job. Looks even better out of the base with realistic wheel sets, sharp livery including the Porsche logo at such a scale, detailed headlights, dynamic Firebird livery, detailed base in plastic including the Tarmac Works logo, and overall a stunning and quality casting from Tarmac Works. This Singapore Special Edition RWB 993 is very popular with local collectors and also a very good call by Tarmac Works. Stay tuned for more Tarmac Works unboxing and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.